What? What is that? What's up guys, this is Indyoda here. Today we are watching Umbrella Academy Season 3, Episode 3. Last episode was a decent episode, nothing too exciting in that one. Luther and Sloane are apparently now an item. That ball thingy is growing. The Hargreaves have discovered that they don't actually exist in this timeline. All their mothers died before they were born. If you haven't subscribed, please do hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more reactions. I am going to be starting a new series on this channel soon, so get excited for that. Let's get into it.
Paradox Protocols.
Oh, here we go.
Complete Commission Guide to Temporal Anomaly. Chapter 68. The Grandfather Paradox.
Yes. What is this?
See, Elmer has decided the key to his future happiness is to go back in time and kill his grandfather.
Yes. Okay. I understand now.
But if his mother was never born, Elmer no longer exists.
This is a great
but if
set.
Elmer no longer exists, how could he possibly kill his grandfather?
Exactly. Oh boy. Oh, Luther. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Nasty. Oh no. Oh my. Oh no. Oh, to take the guy. All of them are gone. How is he the only one left there? What is it doing? How does it choose, like, who's and what disappears? Like, is it completely random every time?
Oh.
Wait, where's Lila?
Shower. I told her she could stay with us.
Wait, when did Lila get back?
What? She's
Five, where are you going?
here now?
I was being held captive by the sparrows.
What?
Wait,
None of you notice.
then move on to problem number 2. Disappearing people?
It's people now. Oh my, Stanley, stop it. My goodness.
They kill me in my sleep. We're learning so much about each other.
Oh. Yikes. Oh yeah, because she can do that too. Oh, I forgot. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. This is very intense. I'm very concerned. Oh.
All right, enough.
First we try yours.
Yeah, what is that? Is it because of the ball thingy?
What's more important than us?
There is no us, Diego.
Yeah, she's been without him for 14 years. He's just been without her for like
For you,
a
it's
few
been a
days.
couple days.
Yeah,
For me,
legit.
it has been
There you go.
over a decade.
Yeah, okay. Well, if you guys are heading over there, I should probably come along. You know,
Oh my.
protection.
Oh boy. Luther.
Marcus is missing. I'm taking the reins. You think it should be you?
Oh.
You had your chance.
Oh.
Didn't turn out too well now, did it?
Oh wait, what happened? Story time? Oh.
Say that again.
Oh, is it affecting her? Yeah. Oh.
Marcus isn't coming back. God took him. God?
Yeah, Grace knows.
God is in the basement. And he called Marcus home.
Nah, that's weird. That's freaky. I don't like it.
Does she need a checkup?
Focus, Faye.
No, listen to her.
That's right.
Ah.
Can I get a room?
Oh, it's him. Yeah, Lester Pocket? I don't know who that is. Yet.
Give us the briefcase and we'll give you Marcus.
What briefcase?
The one we left in your house.
Deal. The briefcase for our brother.
Great.
They're both doing it. They're
Hotel
both
upstairs
lying.
at 4 o'clock sharp. Or we'll send him back in pieces.
Oh. Oh, so we've got a time for the showdown. Oh no. Oh no, Klaus. Ew. Ah. Oh nah. Oh no. Oh, gross. Ah. Oh, gross. Oh, Klaus. Oh. Hargreaves knows. Oh my.
You kill our moms! Moms? What in the world are you talking about?
You're the drunk one, aren't you?
No, I'm Klaus. I'm the spiritual one.
Also the drunk one.
I'm not hungry.
Quan, I'm really not in the mood for your bullshit today.
Wait, so they're keeping him sedated. So he's under their control.
What is this?
Doesn't concern you, old man. We say sorry.
Yeah, they've really got him under their control.
Dad. What happened to you?
What does he become?
Sweet Jesus.
Yeah, this is messed. I don't know what it is, but it's so freaky.
2 days ago, with our new visitors.
Yeah, it's the paradox kind of in a physical form, right?
Ready to hotwire this briefcase?
Wait, why is he holding... Oh. Oh. What are they doing? Oh, he's burning it. What?
We're screwed. Maybe. Maybe not.
Wait, what's her deal?
Listen, on your own.
Oh my Lila.
Pathetic. But if we powered up together, you blinking.
Oh, yeah.
Create some kind of feed.
Is this Luther? What? Oh boy. That's very strange.
Like the old days, huh? You know, busting heads. Oh, Jesus, Luther, Lionel, are you kidding?
Lionel Richie.
I met someone, okay? And I thought,
Oh
maybe she likes
my.
some curated songs that just so happen to express
Luther.
Someone. I mean, we've been here for 2 days, and the only time.
Yep. He knows.
dancing on the ceiling. Oh, that one's going in.
Oh boy. My goodness, Luther. Shaking my head.
It's the study, the inside of this elevator, okay?
All right.
Until I get back.
Wait.
Oh, he actually believed it. Oh.
No one ever comes to visit anymore.
Oh.
But you wouldn't understand that.
Oh. Reginald. Oh.
Oh, Reggie. You got no idea.
But isn't he...
You ever been to a
Isn't he an alien?
Can't say that I
What's his deal? I'm so confused after that reveal in season 2.
donuts and they're open all night. It's 3 a.m.
I hope we actually get answers this season into their origin, I guess.
Fudge ripple.
What is this? Mongolian throat singing? What is this guy's deal? This is very strange. This is very weird.
Gesture. Welcome him as brothers. No.
God, no. Just roll with it, man. Don't say anything and don't be weird.
Okay. But not saying someone feels
Oh,
weird.
Luther.
Do you feel loved?
Yeah, I do.
You are. Can we all get back to saving the world now?
Yeah, that's it. It's just like, yep, I love you.
It's, number 10. Yeah, it's a good choice. Brightens your face.
Oh my.
Thanks.
Oh, Luther. What? What is that? Oh, he's gonna find it. And she's singing to it. Oh no, that's freaky. How does it know to like, how does she know what to say? How does it like take this worship? Like, is she's a robot, so she doesn't have like a heart or a soul. Are they gonna do it? Oh. They're gone. They're gone. Where'd they go?
Welcome to the Ice Age.
No, but that's a
Shut up and
building.
just
Oh. What's happened here?
Oh shit, they're early.
Oh. Oh. Oh boy. Okay. Okay, here we go. Oh no. And it's not even all of them, it's like, it's 4 of them. Yeah, it was a cool image.
Oh, run!
Molotov this, bitches!
What? Oh my.
Not now.
Oh no. Oh, Stan. Oh, what's he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing?
Now, Chris.
Oh, what is that? Oh, what on the earth? What is that? What is he doing? Who is he? What? What? What is that? What? What is it doing? Oh, it's killed him. Wait, is it killing all of them? Oh my goodness. Well, he got 2 of them. Oh man. What? What just happened? Who is this guy?
Harlan?
Oh,
You?
no way. Oh, that's a good twist. That was very well done. I love that ending. That was brilliant. The whole episode before that was kind of just like, okay, it's adding to the mystery. I don't really know where this is going, but the showdown at the end and Harlan coming in, that was good. That was fantastic. And I'm wondering how he's gonna, because he has like sensory issues, so I'm wondering how he's gonna communicate with the team and like what his purpose is. Like, how did he know to be there? It's very weird, but I'm looking forward to it. Also at the commission, Five and Lila are there, but no one else is. It'll be interesting to see next episode what the deal is. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Please subscribe if you're not already. Leave a like and comment what you enjoyed from this reaction. Until next time, stay hydrated, drink water, and I will see you guys very, very soon.